get more videos like this, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hello children, today we will learn halves and quarters. Half means 1 by 2 and quarter means 1 by 4. Now we take a chapati and cut it into 2 pieces. One piece is half and another piece also half. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Again we take another chapati and cut it into 4 pieces. Now we add all these 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So we have learned halves and quarters. Thank you. See the watch. See the watch. 1, 2, 3. This is 12. Here 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now quarter. Quarter past. Quarter past 10 means quarter past 10 means 15 minutes means 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock it gets to where it gets 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is quarter time. 15 minutes is quarter time. If we divide the clock into 4 pieces, then 15 minutes equal to 1 by 4, because 15 by 60 is equal to 1 by 4. So 15 minutes is quarter. If we say quarter to 10, here quarter to 10 means 9:45 means 15 minutes to 10. 15 minutes to 10. So this portion is quarter to 10. So if we divide and watch with 4 part, then each part is 1 by 4 portion. That means every 15 minutes is 1 by 4. And if we divide a clock into 2 pieces, if we divide a clock into 2 pieces, then it will be what? How many portions? First portion will be what? 1 by 2, and second portion is also 1 by 2. That means 10:30 equal to 10 and half hours. 10 and half hours. 10:30 means 10 and half hours. 30 means half hours. 60 means 1 hour. 60 means 1 hour. 60 equal to 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 1 hour and 30 minutes equal to 1 by 2 hours. and 15 minutes equal to 1 by 4th hour.